Pineapple is a popular tropical fruit grown in warm climates. It has a sweet and slightly sour taste that feels refreshing. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C, fiber, and natural enzymes. These nutrients are good for digestion and body health. Pineapple can be eaten fresh or made into juice and desserts. This fruit is also used in many traditional foods. Pineapple plants are easy to grow and suitable for home gardens. With enough sunlight, pineapple plants grow well and produce good fruit. Pineapple plants have long, stiff, and sharp leaves. Small spines grow along the edges of the leaves. New pineapple plants come from crowns, side shoots, and root suckers. These shoots grow around the main plant. They are commonly used as natural pineapple seedlings. In this video, we use pineapple shoots for planting. Good shoots have fresh green leaves. The base of the shoot should be strong and healthy. Avoid shoots that are soft or rotten. Before planting, dry the base for 1 or 2 days. This helps prevent rotting in the soil. Planting pineapple is easy and beginner-friendly. First, prepare loose soil with good drainage. Make a planting hole about 10 to 15 centimeters deep. Place the pineapple shoot into the hole. Cover it with soil and press gently. Water lightly after planting. Pineapple plants grow best in full sunlight. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below and tell us what topic you want to see tomorrow.